Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it happened exactly like I told you guys. So let me just show you guys real quick. So I showed you guys that yesterday we were building that liquidity left shoulder head, and then this really good actually right shoulder off of blue as well as purple that I don't have on here, but right shoulder off of purple and then blue. And then this was a trade for the last 5-10 minutes for the market, like at least a point. So you could have taken it from a point and a half at like, or yeah, point and a half or so. But really you could have really looked at yesterday's video, and I literally said we were literally building the liquidity, and that's exactly what happened. Especially if you missed it off the purple, right, you could take it off the blue, right? And that was the last 10 minutes, so you have to wait for this trade, right? But then also there was some good intraday trades, right? Even taking some trades all the way down to 5-day, right? But you should know that, again, like I said, there's no confirmation to short yet till we really get better structures, and the structure I said was like either breaking down, right, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and then right here, and then you take the trade down, right, and then that would be more of a confirmed short, right? Or even waiting till the 20-day average test, right? So you can't be like a confirmed short, if that makes sense. So you really had to really protect your positions, right, especially at 5-day, right? So good trade overall. So but if you got the whole move from here, 2 points right there, right? So it all depends if you watched yesterday's video and if you saw the structure that was forming. But I'll show you guys intraday, but literally like perfect. If you watch yesterday's video, at least I left shoulder head and then right shoulder off of blue, and then you saw how we built that liquidity too, right? And then went up, right? So the market blessed us today. It was easy to read, especially from yesterday, but I'll show you first the trade, right? So today, right, we saw the orange, right? And again, this was a pretty left shoulder head, right shoulder off of orange right here, and pretty good trade to 5-day. And then you see that purple coming in, right, intraday, and then you could really take this trade left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, right? And then we have blue as well here, so you could take it off of here as well. And then again on the 30-minute, what you saw was, where's my OBS? Sorry guys, in first class. So after that, blue right here, right, then we tested blue right here, right, and then went up, right? So that's exactly what happened right here. So this blue, right, you can see that we were building that liquidity, left shoulder head, right shoulder, left shoulder head, right shoulder, all the way up, right? All the way up to the orange, right? Strong buying continuation at the end, right? So yeah, that's literally the trade for today. So first trade, you could have taken it down to 5-day. Second trade, if you really wanted to hold from here, right? But I guess, you know, some people are like, oh, it's too long of a hold, right? I'd rather catch the like shorter trades, but bigger and shorter trades. So I realistically just waited really for this move right here, especially because I had it really outlined on my 30-day, right? Sorry, 30 minutes. So I just took it from here all the way up there, right? Point, end of the day, 100 pointer, 100 percenter. So that's pretty it for today. Pretty good day. I'm not gonna lie, especially because even though it doesn't seem like much, as long as you are the hunter, you're looking for the trade, right? And you know what to do, right? And what to look out for, that's all that matters, right? And you can make even big money in this small, like 100%, right? So that's all. But again, like if we're headed up from here, right, best thing to look out for tomorrow is if we open higher, right, and then bounce off of orange right here and then go higher again, right? But if we are headed down from here, or we could just also just build liquidity again here and then try another time here and then again go up, right? So really look out for that tomorrow. But also if we are headed down, I'd actually wait now. Well, we got this new algo right here, which I'll draw for you guys. So I'll just do it as this yellow. Well, it's not really any yellow, but I just want to have it as yellow. So first I'd wait for left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right off of yellow, and then we can close this inverse cup right here, and then same thing, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of white, and then keep going down, right? And to the next support level, which would be hopefully 20-day comes up right here. So 20-day would be the next support, right? And then we test 20-day and let's then see what happens, right? But if that's the situation, if we're headed down, so look out for that, right? But again, you need to wait for confirmations to if we're going down even, right? So and you really have to protect, right? Because this is still a bullish way, right? So for us to see continuation going down, right, we have to at least see the right shoulder off of yellow, right? And then you can be confident to at least hold it to the inverse cup close, right? So yeah, that's all my video today, guys. I hope you have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow, and every day is a blessing. You wake up every day is a blessing. You make money every day is a blessing. You go to school every day is a blessing. You're able to see your family, that's a blessing. So count your blessings, count what you're grateful for. I feel people tend to not understand the things that are for them and that they have currently, and people are really ungrateful, and so it's really important to be mindful, right? Because that's the only way you could be happy, right? If you understand mindfulness and we understand gratefulness, and that's really what will give you happiness. And thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.